We're here at SBH on the southwest corner of the social hall building, about 3 weeks into construction, and I want to show you something. If you look back over here, you can see the dry rot. This was all over the building. It was totally dangerous, even if you just press just like this. I don't want to do it, I don't want it to come apart. Thank God for fixing it, and we have a plan.
It's from water being trapped between the stucco and the plywood. It's all rotten.
Wow.
And it's just falling apart. Luckily we caught this in time, so nobody really got hurt.
We're here in the kitchen at SBH. They had to tear out the sinks, break down the wall, rip out the cabinets, and almost nothing survived, but the Raki made it through, as it always does. So, l'chaim to our future, SBH. It's gonna be great. One of the most fun parts about this building has always been the past president's wall. Past presidents of the board and of the women's auxiliary. As you can see behind me, the pictures have been taken down for safekeeping. But what's really exciting about this project is that we are going to add a new wall, which is our spiritual leaders' Chazan and Gabai wall, which is going to be right there on the east wall behind me. So the past presidents and ladies' auxiliary is going to be where it was. And then we're going to honor the past Chazanim, Gabayim, and rabbis that SBH has had over our 110 plus year history as well. With all of this excitement and construction, it is important to remember that we cannot do this all by ourselves. We need the community to partner with us. So there are exciting naming opportunities for everybody to get involved. It's an incredible way to honor the memory of a loved one, someone who cherished SBH as much as all of us do, that they can live on in the legacies of this social hall, and we can remember them, and we can build our Mishkan Ma'at together.